Hey everybody, it's Liz from Ahoy, and I hope everybody's filling their bellies with some yummy, delicious foods out there, whether you're making it or ordering it from mom and pop shops. Either way, it's all good. I am practicing some fun recipes, and today I am making tornarelle cacio e pepe from our very own Ahoy recipe book. In fact, we actually borrowed this recipe from the DePaulo's book. They were so gracious to let us borrow it and to promote their wonderful family shop. So the Ahoy family recipe book is basically recipes that we put together from our family to yours. It's our way of being close to you now in a time when you can't really travel to New York City and we can't really go out and guide you guys and feed you guys. So this is a different way of feeding you. We are including this in our Taste of Little Italy meal kit, which will come with delicious ingredients to make a recipe that I'm going to make today. So tornarelle cacio e pepe, here we go. I'm gonna post some pictures along with this little intro video and let me know what you think. Enjoy!